Sorry if I went a little too far, but this is part 2 of getting through the Snow Point Temple. Now, the easy way to get through is just go down, left, up, right, up. And then we keep on going through our amazing journey. We got through the Snow Point Temple. Brody, no. Brody! Shh, shh, shh. Oh my God, Brody. Hold on. Sorry for that. Whoa. What the? Oh, God. Oh, God. Please don't kill me. Yes. If you see gravelers, just try to run. Here we go to the Regigigas. I don't know how to get through, so I'm just gonna try a couple things like my resources, stuff like that. B, and we go down. No, oh crap! I'm doing it wrong. Then we go right, go down. Okay, can someone please help me? And, oh no. But then, how do I get there? Gotta go like that. Help! I'm stuck in the Regigigas maze. Ah! Someone help me. I need help. Ah! Someone please comment me to help. I'm lost in the maze of a Regigigas. I can't do this forever. Well, this is to be continued. I'll tell you when I have the strategy. Goodbye.